Have your files been corrupted? Do you know the answer with certainty? Fortis Data Assurance Solutions can give you that certainty. Hackers can attack and breach your network and gain access to the folder on which your critical design files are stored. In this case, the attackers manipulate the design of the drone's propeller remotely and sabotage the delivery of the part vital for the mission. Alterations are unnoticeable in the print phase yet fatal, causing catastrophic damage and ultimately mission failure. Fortis would have prevented the consumption of the bad file. It provides data integrity monitoring of the files either in motion or at rest and registers every action that happens to that data on the blockchain. Fortis detects unauthorized changes occurring to your files by tracking the DNA of each file. Fortis will abort and quarantine any transfers that have been altered or corrupted. Additionally, Fortis will flag and quarantine any data altered or corrupted while at rest. As a result, the bad data wouldn't be consumed by the printer, and no faulty propeller would be produced. 3D printing and advanced manufacturing are among many use cases where data assurity is an absolute must. Reach out to Veritex to learn how Fortis can provide data assurance for you.